Hello friends, welcome to BSM Surat. In today's video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is artificial intelligence driven language model that has taken the world by storm. Its ability to generate human-like text has revolutionized the field of natural language processing and has sparked a code raid at Google headquarters.
है कि कोई कंपनी निकल कर आएगी जो गूगल
The basic difference between Google search and ChatGPT is that while on Google search we have to scroll through the search result for what we are looking for, ChatGPT directly gives us those answers. With its advanced capability, ChatGPT has the ability to generate coherent and fluent text on a wide range of topics, from writing essay to composing poetry and even creating computer codes.
Universities will have to do a course correction now, unintended. What is there to be taught after all memorizing has been outsourced to a robot? Creativity and how to use ChatGPT, the only engineering course.
Its ability to understand and respond to context, along with its ability to generate text that is nearly impossible to differentiate from human generated text, has made it a must have tool for researchers, developers, and business alike. With the power of ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless, and it's no wonder it has become one of the most talked about and sought after technology in our time. So let's talk about ChatGPT, what it can do in health system, what it can do for researchers, for doctors, for medical students, as well as for the patients. Let us first check what it can do for medical students. ChatGPT can be used for generating summaries of complex medical literature. It can summarize the key points of a research paper or journal article in a more coherent and easy to understand manner. It can also be used in assisting in the preparation of case studies and presentation. ChatGPT can be used to generate detailed explanation and description of various medical conditions, their symptoms, causes, and treatments, which can help medical students to better understand these subjects. And this is all possible under the current preview version of ChatGPT. Now let's check out whether it can solve university question paper or not. Let's try effects of air pollution. Air pollution can have various effects on human health. Respiratory problems, cardiovascular disease, damage to the nervous system, damage to the reproductive and immune systems, environmental effects, economic cost, blah blah blah. And it can also write in brief steps of prevention and control of air pollution. So it is pretty good at solving the short questions asked in the university exams. Let's try another one. ChatGPT comment on bias. Bias refers to a systematic error or deviation from the truth in a study or research. So it gives us definition as well as the types of bias. Write 2 to 3 sentences on Qual Index. Can it write detailed steps of randomized control trial? Let's try define the research questions and hypothesis, develop a study protocol, obtain critical approval, recruit study participants, randomize the study participants. So it can write these steps but not in detail. Do you want to know how it is going to help doctors? ChatGPT can assist doctors in various tasks such as answering medical queries and providing information about diseases, symptoms, treatments, and procedure, assisting with diagnostic support by suggesting possible conditions based on symptoms and medical history, summarizing medical reports, journal articles, and other scientific documents, offering language translation services to help doctors communicate with non-English speaking patients. Now the interesting part. What if I am a patient who is using ChatGPT? I am having high-grade fever with chills and rigor for 5 days. What it could be? It is difficult to determine the cause of your symptoms without proper medical evaluation. High-grade fever with chills and rigor can be caused by a variety of conditions. It is important that you seek medical attention in order to receive a proper diagnosis and treatment. And finally, how researchers get juice out of ChatGPT. Let's explore. I asked ChatGPT to write down a protocol for cohort study on lifestyle modification and diabetes mellitus, but it could not complete as it is a preview version. So we can break down that into a various steps, like write a methodology for cohort study on diabetes mellitus and lifestyle modification. And surprisingly, it wrote a very good methodology part for the cohort study. So we can break down our question into small parts to get the best answer. I also asked ChatGPT to identify potential confounders for my study, and it's like almost it knows everything. Suppose you want to know how you are going to analyze your study, which statistical test you are going to use, just ask ChatGPT which statistical methods or test I should use for my study, and it will generate a response for you. Wow, as you can see, it is like almost 10 out of 10. It is pretty scary. So finally, I want to ask ChatGPT that will it replace doctors? And it said no, AI is not likely to replace doctors. While AI has the potential to aid doctors in diagnosing and treating patients, it does not have ability to provide the same level of personal interaction and emotional support that a doctor can offer. Additionally, many medical procedures require a human touch and cannot be performed by machines. AI can be valuable tool for doctors, but it is not expected to replace them. So it cannot replace us, it cannot replace the human creativity. Remember that. Friends, this was the brief overview of what ChatGPT can do for doctors, for the medical students. Use ChatGPT to take your creativity and productivity to the next level. If you are first time here, don't forget to leave us like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video really very soon.